Each trailer door is equipped with a keypad to unlock your door. Press the number and the unlock key. You'll hear a beep and you can open your trailer. As you come in, to simply close, reach behind here and close the door. Simple as that. To open it, there's a latch right here. Simply pull out to open up. And sometimes that lock will latch in an open position, so it's easy to open and close without latching. Simply put your fingers back here, thumb, that will release. A simple slight pull will release that latch enough to let the door open without locking. If you need to lock it, close the door, and at night you can lock it. And that shoves the deadbolt in. So now, even if it's open, it won't open. Unlatch it. Simply, there you go. As you're leaving, simply put your code back in and push lock. That's it. Thank you for watching.